Due to the Internet's potential to improve the lives of individuals, drive the growth of businesses, and accelerate the economic development of countries, its absence has profound implications for the billions of people around the world who are still offline.
In our country, the digital divide is created due to various factors. While internet access is one of the key reasons, however, there are many other demographic factors which contribute to this. It can be due to age factor, it can be due to gender bias, it can be because of access to digital devices, and it can also be because of the economic conditions of the strata.
This gap not only excludes people from enjoying the benefits of digital access, it also exacerbates socio-economic inequalities. However, in order to truly address social exclusion, social and educational intervention initiatives must first have a deeper grasp of the factors and processes that lead to it on a personal level.
Digital literacy is not only about learning how to use a computer or any digital device, but any person who's digitally literate is empowered to be a part of the global community. She can bring digital and technology inclusion in her day-to-day life in every possible way.
As part of its nationwide CSR initiative, Huawei India's DigiBus is an innovative approach that meets a real demand.
मैं कंप्यूटर सीखना भी चाहता था क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त लोग हैं, उनके पास सिस्टम है, वो लोग चलाते हैं और उनके पास जो सर नोट्स सर भेजते हैं ग्रुप पे, वो लोग अपना प्रिंट करके निकाल लेते हैं और मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि वैसे ही मैं भी करूँ।
और कभी कभार दोस्त वगैरह चलाते रहते थे तो हम जब देखा सुना तो वो लोग कहते थे जाओ तुम क्या करोगे इसका, शर्मिंदगी महसूस होती थी।
A novel and impactful solution to the problem of delivering digital and financial literacy, applying in smaller towns and localities of Delhi NCR region, Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, bringing learning to the learner's doorstep.
मैं रहने के लिए राम टिकड़ी में हूँ और यहाँ पे दत्ता सर काले मुझे एक प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताने आए थे जो NIT फाउंडेशन की तरफ से चल रहा था। अभी 3 बैच है यहाँ पर, तीनों बैच फुल है और वो बेसिक कंप्यूटर कोर्सेस अच्छी तरीके से सीख रहे हैं। बच्चों लोगों के लिए जो एजुकेशन के लिए कोई उनको इतना ये सपोर्ट नहीं करता था, तो NIT फाउंडेशन की तरफ से हमें वो बच्चों लोगों के लिए कुछ करने का मौका मिला है।
DigiBus is a solar-powered mobile classroom equipped with 16 high-end computers with 5G-enabled connectivity, printing solution and certified IT trainers to deliver the IT courses, assessment and certification for the successful beneficiaries.
अब मुझे कहीं भी जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है। मैं घर बैठे अपनी सारी वेबसाइट यूज़ कर सकती हूँ। उसमें ऑनलाइन फॉर्म, स्कॉलर फॉर्म, अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स, प्रैक्टिकल्स मैं अपने आप खुद कर सकती हूँ।
The DigiBus project is implemented in the villages according to a well-organized process that starts with village mapping and community participation and ends with student counseling and enrollment. Additionally, facilitators and trainers help community members create support groups to help one another learn new skills, re-establish course material, and apply for jobs.
With a focus on sustainable development goals towards 2030, which aim to improve our world, the DigiBus solution specifically addresses 5 SDGs. Quality education and gender equality are addressed because this entire solution offers quality training for everyone. Clean energy and climate action are addressed by the presence of the 10 solar panels that are put on the bus that generates energy for the bus and reduces its carbon footprint. The partnerships SDG is addressed because the entire solution is offered in partnership with NGOs, corporates and government programs.
The DigiBus is open from Monday to Saturday and offers 7 batches per day. Each runs for about 60 minutes. With a focus on building certain capabilities, such as reducing the digital divide for those living in remote areas, awareness of computers as a window to knowledge, spread financial awareness and literacy, linkages to government programs and initiatives, enhancing interest levels in learning, introducing the multidisciplinary approach to education, using computers as a tool for daily tasks, encouraging collaborative learning, developing interpersonal skills, providing awareness on technology amongst rural community, and providing equal opportunities for rural youth. Giving people in underserved areas the chance to obtain education and digital skills, DigiBus is a well-thought-out initiative to help increase their independence, ability to contribute to India's growing economy.